Hi everyone. I hope you've all had a great holiday, a happy new year, and I hope this year treats you well. I am so excited to hop on here and show you guys what my husband got me for Christmas. I am ecstatic. I've been wanting one of these so bad for my art supplies, my crafting stuff. I've been seeing it go around on YouTube, and he showed me videos on TikTok, and I think it's so cute and such a fun idea. I actually got lucky and found this one in store. Online it said it was out of stock, but we decided to go check anyways. And lo and behold, they had a ton of the pink left. So we picked this one up. I'm so excited. So if you've been wanting one and you look online and it says it's out of stock, it doesn't hurt to go check because there were tons of them. The website just was not updating and I think keeping up with the turnover that they're having with them. So I got this at Lowe's. It's the Kobalt brand. It is the pink Toolbox. It is a 2-drawer version. I believe they have a 3-drawer version. I did go ahead and cut out some drawer liner and put that in there because I thought it was just a cute addition to kind of keep things organized. So I already know that I want to put my painting and drawing stuff in here. I've been really enjoying watercolor here lately, like urban sketching. So I want to keep my supplies in here so it's close by. I've kind of done a few little rough draft organizations, but I haven't really come up with the one I like. So hopefully here today with you, I can find something I enjoy. I have tons of pencils, water brushes, watercolor markers, tubes of watercolor, my watercolor palettes, my current sketchbook I'm using just for, little daily drawings or paintings. I find this one good because it's small enough that if I only have, 10, 20 minutes to sketch something real quick, it allows me to still keep a daily practice. And then I do have these fine liner pens that I've been using. Well, 2 of them's fine liner, and then this is called fine liner, but it's a brush pen. But I will actually be trading these out here soon because these are not waterproof. So I have to go back over my sketches and outline them again, which is okay, but I'm going to be upgrading to something waterproof that I'd be happy to update you guys on once I get it. I have not ordered it yet, but hopefully we'll be doing it in the next day or two. You're gonna see this. This is actually what I use for my watercolors because it's small, it's metal, so it can be magnetic if I want it to. If I have a palette that's magnetic, and it holds enough water for these little sketches I'm doing. So that is why that is here. It is purely for watercolors. Alrighty. So these are the 2 palettes I've been using most. This one is by Art Philosophy. It initially came with skin tone colors, but I've changed them out just to some more colors that I use more frequently. This is the Winsor & Newton. This one looks a little crusty. I'm not gonna lie, I need to clean it because I haven't used it in the past couple weeks. But these are the colors that it came with, and it comes with a cute little watercolor brush there. So I've been using these 2. Oh gosh, that white needs, ugh. Sorry about the mess here, but these are my 2 favorites as of recently. So I'm hoping I can find a good place to store these. And then these are watercolor markers that I actually got for Christmas as well. I feel so blessed. I got, craft stuff for Christmas. I got these with a gift card my grandma had got me. I've used them some. I got them from Walmart. It was a 12-pack and it was $5.97, so really affordable, just to try out something new. I've seen these before and I wanted to try them for myself, and I have been enjoying them. Just kind of learning to work with new styles and new materials has been so fun. Alrighty, up top, I would like to have things I probably reach for most frequently. I think this is too tall to sit in here though. I don't think it'll shut. Oh, it does. Okay, well, I know what I'm doing now. Okay, I'd like for my two watercolor palettes to be up top, I think, because I know that I'm going to reach for those regularly. Oh, this is a like wrist sweatband. It needs washed. It has paint all over it. But I put it on for when I'm doing little sketches. I saw this from another YouTuber. And then you can just clean your brushes right on here. So I use this every time I paint as well. Um, I always sketch first with a pencil until I get a little more comfortable in my practice. Then I'm gonna start with ink, but I start with the pencil, so I'm gonna keep an eraser there. Let's see. I have this little clear ruler. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really use this super frequent, but I do use it some. I've been using this washi tape here to line my pages so it has a nice clean border when I paint. This is just one. I think it's super cute, but I didn't find myself reaching for it super often, and it's a pretty big roll, so I have been using this. I tried using painter's tape here, and this one was just a little too strong. It's the duct tape brand, but it just tore my pages, so I'm sticking this for my canvases. Okay, there's the top. I have two pencil sharpeners as well. Should I put these up here? Okay, that fits really cute. That looks so cute. Okay. Oh, but what about my sketchbook? I wonder. I don't even know if this needs to necessarily go in there, but I wonder if it would shut still with that in here. Oh, it still shuts. Okay. So I could definitely just lay that on top. I don't think I'm going to probably keep it in there though, because I like having this out with my other notebooks. But okay, that is the top drawer. Now we can move to the first drawer. This one's more shallow than the bottom one, so I can put the thinner things here. Let's see. And while I want it organized, I'm not going to be like so particular, like each marker has to have like this much distance between. I'm just going to put them where I'm going to use them because I have like, my brain goes all over the place. So I'm going to have it where I know I'm going to use it. I guess this one I could put my watercolor markers. So put these in here, and then maybe my watercolor water brush or my water brushes here. I have a bunch of pencils too. Do I want to put? I think I'm probably going to keep my fine liners out just because I know they're going to be replaced soon, and I don't love these ones. I think I got them at like Five Below or something, so they're good, you know, for on the go, but not something I'm going to reach for moving forward a whole lot. Okay, these are only drawing pencils. Do I want to put all of them in here? Or just maybe the ones that I'm going to use the most? This is actually a cool vintage pencil I found in our garage when we moved into this house. And I use it all the time. I think it's super cool. Let's see. Go with the ones that I know I use the most. And then if I have room, we'll kind of work backwards. I'm going to use the B, HB, C, H, H, so 3H, we can put that one in there. I'll do, I tend to go to like for the softer 4B, but not too soft just because I paint over it and I don't want it to drag all of it in there. Okay, I think I'll stick with those because these other ones I don't reach for quite as often. And then I feel like that's pretty good for this drawer. And then maybe I can lay this just on top here because I do reach for the water pens and the pencils more frequently than the pens. I kind of have to have like or the watercolor markers, just because I have to have a more specific need for those, so I don't dig for those as often. And here, oh, will this fit? Okay, so my watercolor cup will fit. I'll keep that towards the front because I use that every time. I have a ton of like tubes of watercolor paint. I just want to put like my most used ones in here because that's what I want this to be. I want this to be the box I reach for when I'm using like my most frequent items. So cobalt blue, this isn't as frequent, but it is a good blue. And I feel like cobalt, even though it's a different spelling, I feel like we have to put it in here because that's so cute. So do cobalt blue. Let's do, oh, crimson red. Like a, crimson red. Burnt sienna. Oh, that's a good one. But I want plenty of yellow ochre, crimson red, burnt sienna. Let's see. Lamp black. Lamp black. Oh, we definitely need a black. Oh, Prussian blue. That in there. Again, I'm not going to keep this super organized or fancy because I know like once I start using it, it's just going to kind of explode in here because I get busy and excited and everything kind of just goes wherever. I'm going to put the black in there. That's called lamp black. Let's see. Violet. Oh, I do use violet and white, of course. I love adding, something I find so fun is like adding a pop of purple or like a neon orange into my paintings just to really add like a strike to it. Let's see, vermilion. I gotta add a yellow. I have yellow ochre. I don't use yellow, like lemon yellow, as frequently, but it wouldn't really hurt to have in there, I guess. Oh, here's a green. Viridian. I mean, I guess I could probably fit all of them in there if I wanted. This is vermilion. But I don't want it super cluttered because I know eventually I'm going to add other stuff. So it looks like I'm just kind of adding, I have like a lot of doubles here, if you couldn't tell. And then I guess I think this is the only one that I haven't added in that is a double. So burnt umber. And I'll stick with those. And I feel like that's a good start, like can this fit just right here? Oh, that's such a good fit though. Maybe I'll just keep it in there because that's so cute. Okay. I feel like that's a really good start. I feel really happy with this. And again, while I'm talking and like probably making no sense at all, this is just how I would talk to somebody if you were here and I was like organizing it and, kind of just talking out loud through the process. I do have a couple paintbrushes back here. I don't reach for like these as frequently because they're not very good quality. The bristles are kind of all over the place. I do reach for them every now and then, but I find just keeping them in my little miscellaneous jar back there works better. Okay, so this is the final product. That is my top drawer. That is the second drawer. And this is the third one. It's so cute. I love this little box. My opinions on this, I will say, it is a lot like a toolbox where when you pull it out, it's not super smooth like you would imagine just like a regular drawer in your house. It does have like a little bit of a catch to it. And then on this one, this bottom drawer is slightly bent, if you can tell. If I this one out, you can't really tell as much, but it has a slight bend over here. But it doesn't bother me at all because it's a craft box. I'm going to use it. It's going to get probably paint on it at some point, stickers, all of the things. So it doesn't bother me. It's a toolbox. It wasn't marketed to be some like really high quality craft box. It's a toolbox. So, and then I actually received the green version as well for Christmas. So I got the pink one and the green one. I'm going to set up the green one for more of my journaling supplies. This is my art one. My other one's going to be journaling stuff. So I did grab a Wanda. How cute. I was going to grab the Cosmo too, but they didn't have it. So I'm on the hunt for the Cosmo because how fun when this is closed and just cleaned if we have Cosmo and Wanda sitting next to these boxes. I could not help myself. I found this literally right after I had received them, and I was like, that's perfect. This is a little mini Funko Pop from Five Below. I think it was $3 or $4 maybe, but she just sits there so nice and it looks so cute. It makes me happy. So thanks for watching this little organization video. I highly recommend these. I think they're great. I've enjoyed it since Christmas. I'm going to hopefully continue to enjoy it for this whole year and many more to come. I think it's worth the $19 or $20 that it costs. You know, even though I received it as a gift, I would definitely purchase this with my own money, and that was kind of my plan. But my husband surprised me, so I'm very happy with this and excited to use it moving forward. Um, Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great year. I'll be posting more, and I'll upload a video when I organize the green one.